Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is May mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Scorpio, water sign. Scorpio, under the deck, 9 of Cups with the Sun. Very positive reading. In near future, definitely your wishes are going to be true. And there is some positive shift is coming in your life. There is happiness is coming into your life. Yes, your wishes are going to be granted. Wish fulfillment. So, let's see your reading recent past. Chariot, 7 of Swords and the Devil. So there were some disturbances between you and your person, maybe miscommunication, false communication, yeah, between both of you, and obsession. Maybe this person is very dominative, maybe you are very dominative in this connection. Energy could be vice versa, but for some you both are very obsessed with each other, and this relationship in past is very slow moving energy, and the person involved in this connection could be especially Cancer or Capricorn or Leo. Then present 8 of Wands, Ace of Pentacles and the Fool. Lots of communication is coming. Someone wants to communicate with you. There is a chance for lots of communication back and forthly. And Ace of Pentacles, stability in relationship and new beginnings also if you are in separation with this person. And in money, there is financial stability is also coming. And you are going with the flow, living in the present moment, Scorpio, and there is communication is coming, and someone is coming to offer new beginnings in relationship. Future, 10 of Cups, 2 of Cups and Knight of Cups. Future, everything is about love. 10 of Cups, 2 of Cups and Knight of Cups. This love is mutual. You both have strong emotions towards each other, and this person is very romantic and they want to offer their cup of love to you, and they really want to marry you. This person want to take this relationship to next level. Here I am seeing two persons. One could be past and one could be new. If your past person is really toxic and they played games with you, third party involved, this person is not that person. This person is entirely a new person. And this person is about to offer commitment and to take this relationship to next level. If your past person is not a toxic person, maybe this your person. This is your past person also. It depends on your situation. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and the Scorpio also, or Capricorn, or especially Cancer, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then you will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Queen of Cups. Yes, this person have strong emotions towards you. So Scorpio, their current feelings. Communication. Again the Devil. You both are obsessed with each other. Temperance. Maybe right now your person want to restore the balance within themselves. They're patiently waiting for right time maybe. They're planning something big, Scorpio. They're planning to communicate with you. Lots of communication. They want to express their true feelings to you. They want to offer their cup of love to you because King of Cups, and they are obsessed with you. Definitely this person have lot of obsession over you. And you both are obsessed with each other because you also got the devil card twice in this reading came. So definitely there is a lot of obsession. You both are obsessed with each other and they do love you and they want to communicate with you. For some it will take some time because right now your person waiting for right time. So let's see their intentions. Knight of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Nine of Wands with Two of Wands. They are thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they're taking their time for some. Maybe they're guarded up but thinking about to come back. This person have romantic feelings for you. This person is very, very romantic. And Knight of Pentacles, they are planning something big. Definitely this time they are very serious about you. They want to marry you. They want to take this relationship to next level because Knight of Pentacles with Knight of Cups. Yeah, they are serious about you. They're sincere. But they are in very, very slow moving energy right now, Scorpio. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities or countries or states. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. Or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they are spying on you. Yes, stability is coming. Definitely, this time your person is very, very serious about you. Eight of Pentacles. They want to work on this relationship and they are spying on you. Maybe they want to test the waters before coming towards you. And this time they want to take this relationship to next level. 10 of Pentacles. They want happy family with you. And they really want to offer stability. Wow. Very positive reading, Scorpio, so far. And you are taking your control back. You stand by your power. For some you have kids also. Maybe you are a mother. Or for some you are a pregnant. Maybe for some you decided to walk away from this connection. You are setting boundaries because you want best and you deserve best. Yes, you are setting healthy boundaries. But they are coming back. It's up to you totally to accept or reject them. But you both are obsessed. Still there is obsession and attraction between both of you. Yeah, Six of Swords with Wheel of Fortune. Definitely communication is coming to fix the things between both of you and Wheel of Fortune, but everything in divine timing. Yeah, rebirth. Definitely you both want rebirth in this connection. For some, maybe you decided to walk away, but they will approach you through communication and this time your person is serious about you. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Scorpio. Options, healing, I need some space now, I'm crazy about you, I'm just not ready yet, and I have too much going on in my life, I am very attracted to you. So the messages from your person and our options, healing, I need some space now, I'm crazy about you, I am just not ready yet, I have too much going on in my life. So take what resonates. Not all messages resonates to all. So take what resonates to your situation. Yes, for some, maybe one person in this connection have options. For some, your person right now undergoing healing and they need some space now, but they're planning to come back and they're crazy about you and they have too much going on in their life. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Scorpio. Have faith in your dreams and expect powerful change. Lot of readings got this card. Powerful changes. New moon eclipse. So have faith in your dreams. So if you are doing hard work and you are doing it consistently, so have faith in your dreams. Definitely your dreams will come true. and waxing, crescent moon, and expect powerful change new moon eclipse. Definitely there is some powerful changes coming, especially when new moon eclipse. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.